Okay, and one more question I will give. There are, if a line makes intercepts A and B on axis and by the rotation of axis, by the rotation of axis through an angle theta, the intercepts of line are P and Q, then show that 1 by A square plus 1 by B square is equal to 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. I will explain. I will draw the diagram here. You see, there is a line. This is axis. There is a line like this. It makes intercepts A. This is A comma 0 and this one is 0 comma B. Generally, what about the equation of the line? Equation of line original. What about the equation of the line? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Let it be one equation. Okay? This is the original equation. Now axis rotates through an angle theta. So this will be the angle of rotation. This will be the angle of rotation. This will be the angle of rotation through an angle theta. Line is same. Line kadalledu akkade undi. Axis rotates through an angle theta. Then the new intercept, this is new x-axis and this one is new y-axis. This is new intercept, that is P comma 0 and this one is 0 comma Q. So what about the new equation? New equation, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Okay, intercepts PQ. X by P plus y by Q is equal to 1. Now, this is the origin. Keeping the origin fixed. Rotation of axis and axis rotate out and origin kadaladu kada. So origin will be same. Ante ee distance evana maarutunda, line will be the same. Line akkade undi. Original axis unnappudu ila undi axis. This is the equation. Axis rotate ayinappudu this will be the new equation. Ante axis rotate ayindi gaani line kadalaledu, origin kadalaledu. Origin fixed and the line will be the fixed. Then what about the distance, perpendicular distance? Ee distance evana maarinda? Maaraledu. Line akkade undi, origin ikkade undi. Axis rotate ayindi manaku anavasaram. Now perpendicular distances are same. Perpendicular distances are same from origin. Perpendicular distances are same from origin. So origin nunchi perpendicular distance are same. Then what about the perpendicular distance from origin to the first line? Modulus of constant by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. Formula గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Modulus of constant. What is constant here? 1 by root of x coefficient square 1 by a whole square. Y coefficient square 1 by b square is equal to second line perpendicular distance. Modulus of 1 by root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. These two distances, లైన్ కి రెండు పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి కానీ డిస్టెన్స్ మాత్రం ఒకటే. డిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్ సేమ్ బట్ ద లైన్స్ ఆర్ టూ. లైన్స్ ఆర్ టూ మీన్స్ దేర్ ఆర్ నో టూ లైన్స్, ఓన్లీ వన్ లైన్ బట్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్, only one origin. So the distance is also same. Perpendicular distance is same. That implies root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. That implies 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. అది ఫార్ములా. చూసుకోండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. Okay, next I will give one more point for today's class. Okay, this question is okay. Next, suppose there are two lines are there, parallel lines, and both are at a same distance. Both are at a same distance. Okay, now you see there are two lines. One line is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. This line is ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. What about the line lying midway? Lying midway. This is the line lying midway between the given lines. For objective purpose of line is lying midway. There are two parallel lines. One line is between the lines lying midway, correct ga center lo undi. And this distance is equal to this distance. These two distances are same. Then what about the equal? And ee rendu manchi distance anto the distance is also equal. Let it be d1 and this one is d2. That means d1 is equal to d2. Now the equation of the line is equal to ax plus by plus same because it is parallel, coefficients are same. c1 plus c2 by 2, constants by 2. c1 plus c2 by 2 is equal to 0. This will be the answer. Line midway. Okay, I will give an example. Find the equation of line lying midway between the lines 2x minus 3y minus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Line midway, correct ga center lo undi. The answer is 2x minus 3y plus c1 plus c2 by 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the formula. Okay, so is the formula. Take a screenshot for this one. Okay guys, so there is today's class. We'll meet tomorrow. Just listen the formula. I will send screenshots of the class notes. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Right, thank you.